Welcome to another exciting video. Today, Sunny is thrilled to introduce you to our top-notch product, the freight elevator. Our freight elevator is built to last. With its solid construction, it can handle even the toughest loads without a sweat. It can easily accommodate tons of freight, making it ideal for warehouses, factories, and distribution centers. Safety is our top priority. From the easily accessible emergency stop button to the reliable safety interlocks that prevent the doors from opening while in motion, and the overload protection to safeguard against excessive weight. Not only is it safe, but it also offers a smooth and efficient ride. We understand that every business has unique requirements. That's why our freight elevator comes with a range of customization options. You can choose the cabin size that suits your largest loads, the door style for easy access, and even the interior finish to match your facility's aesthetics. If you're looking to enhance your material handling capabilities, don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching.